students, see the question number 11. Read the question and write it. The question is limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 by mod x minus 1 is equals to. Let us start the solution. First we find left hand limit, that is limit x tends to 1 minus, here x square minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by mod of x minus 1. Here taking left hand limit, so here consider minus of x minus 1. Here x minus 1 get cancelled. Minus of limit x tends to 1 minus x plus 1. This equals to, now substitute the limit here, minus of 1 plus 1, that equals to minus 2. Now find the right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 1 plus, here x square minus 1, that is x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by, here considering right hand limit, so mod x minus 1 has taken as x minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 1 plus x plus 1. Now substitute the limit here, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Both limits are exist but both are not equal. Then this problem limit does not exist. So the answer is option D. Dear students, see the question number 12. Read the question and write it. The question is limit x tends to 0 e power tan x minus e power x divided by tan x minus x is equals to. Let us start the solution. Limit x tends to 0 e power tan x minus e power x divided by tan x minus x is equals to. Limit x tends to 0, here we taking e power x as common, e power tan x divided by e power x, it can be written as e power tan x minus 1 divided by tan x minus x is equals to, applying the limit x tends to 0 e power x into limit, here limit tan x minus x tends to 0 e power tan x minus x minus 1 divided by tan x minus x. This equals to, here substitute the limit e power 0 into, here we know that limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 divided by x is equals to 1. So here value is 1. This equals to e power 0 is 1 into 1. This equals to 1. Therefore the answer is option B. Dear students, see the question number 13. Read the question and write it. The question is limit x tends to 0 x square by integral 0 to x tan inverse x dx is equals to. Let us start the solution. Limit x tends to 0 x square by integral 0 to x tan inverse x into dx. Here we substitute the limit, we get the 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So we can proceed with L Hospital's rule. This equals to limit x tends to 0. Now differentiating numerator and denominator with respect to x, d by dx of x square divided by d by dx of integral 0 to x tan inverse x into dx is equals to limit x tends to 0, differentiation of x square is 2x divided by, here differentiation with respect to x, integration with respect to x, so integration differentiation get cancelled, here tan inverse x. Now substitute the limit, we get the 0 by 0 form. Now we can proceed again L Hospital's rule 2, that equals to limit x tends to 0. Now differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x, d by dx of 2x divided by d by dx of tan inverse x, that equals to limit x tends to 0, d by dx of 2x is 2 divided by d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now substitute the limit here. 2 by here 1 by 1 plus 0, that is 1. This equals to 2. Therefore, the answer is option C. Dear students, see the question number 14. Read the question and write it. The question is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole power 1 by x is equals to. Let us start the solution. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole power 1 by x is equals to. Here applying the limit. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x divided by limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power 1 by x can be written as minus 1 by x whole inverse. This equals to, we know that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equals to e divided by, we know that limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power minus 1 by x is equals to e. So here e inverse, this equals to e into e, that equals to e square. Therefore, the answer is option B. Dear students, see the question number 15. Read the question and write it. The question is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by x into sin 2x is equals to. Limit x tends to 0. We know that 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 into sin square x divided by x into, we know that sin 2x is equals to 2 into sin x into cos x. This equals to limit x tends to 0. Here 2 to get cancelled, sin square sin x get cancelled. Here sin x by x into 1 by cos x. Now applying the limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x into limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos x is equals to, we know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equals to 1 into, here x tends to 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. This equals to 1. Therefore, the answer is option A. Dear students, see the question number 16. Read the question and write it. Dear students, the given question is limit x tends to 0, cos 4x minus cos 2x divided by cos 3x minus cos x. Here we substitute the limit. We know that cos 0 is 1, so 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. It is in the form of 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So here limit x tends to 0. Here we apply the formula. Cos c minus cos d is equals to minus 2 into sine of c plus d by 2. Here 4x is c, 2x is d. Now c plus d, that is 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into sine of c minus d, that is 4x minus 2x divided by 2. Divided by, in the denominator also same formula can be applied. Minus 2 into sine, here c is 3x, d is x, 3x plus x divided by 2 into sine c minus d, that is 3x minus x divided by 2. Here minus minus get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. This equals to limit x tends to 0 sine of 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. 6x by 2 is 3x. Here 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. 2x by 2, that is x. Sine x divided by here sine 3x plus x, 4x. 4x by 2, that is 2x, into sine of 3x minus x, 2x. 2x by 2, that is x. Sine x. Here sine x, sin x get cancelled. This equals to, here dear students, we apply the shortcut formula, that is if f of x comma g of x belongs to x, that is trigonometric function sin tan also, then limit x tends to 0, f of mx by g of nx is equals to m by n. Here m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2. Therefore, the answer is m by n, that is 3 by 2. Therefore, the answer is option D. Dear students, see the question number 17. Read the question and write it. The given question is limit x tends to 0 x by square root of 4 minus x minus square root of 4 plus x is equals to, here in the denominator we are taking minus as common, minus of limit x tends to 0 x by here square root of 4 plus x minus square root of 4 minus x is equals to minus of. Dear students, here we are applying the shortcut formula, that is limit x tends to 0 x by square root of a plus x minus square root of a minus x is equals to root a. Here a is equals to 4. So here root a, that is root 4. This equals to minus root 4 is 2. Therefore, the answer is option B. Dear students, see the question number 18. Read the question and write it. Here the given question is limit x tends to 0 square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x. Here we substitute the limit. This equals to root 1 plus 0 minus root of 1 minus 0 divided by 0. This equals to root 1 minus root 1 is 0 by 0. Is in the indeterminate form. So, we apply the method of rationalization for solving this. Limit x tends to 0 square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x divided by root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x is equals to limit x tends to 0. Here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square, that is a square. Here root of 1 plus x whole square, that is 1 plus x, minus b square, that is square root of 1 minus x whole square, that is 1 minus x, divided by x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x is equals to limit x tends to 0 1 plus x minus 1 minus into minus plus x divided by x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x, that equals to, here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, x plus x, that is 2x. Limit x tends to 0 2x divided by x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Here x get cancelled. Now applying the limit here, we get this equals to 2 divided by root of 1 plus 0 plus root of 1 minus 0. This equals to 2 by root 1 is 1 plus 1. This equals 2 by 2, that is 1. Dear students, apply the shortcut method for this problem. We get the answer within seconds. That is limit x tends to 0, root of a plus x minus root of a minus x by x is equals to 1 by root a. That is here a is equals to 1. Therefore, the answer is 1 by root 1. That equals to 1. Therefore, the answer is option A. Dear students, see the question number 19. Read the question and write it. Dear students, the given question is limit x tends to 0, ab whole power x minus a power x minus b power x plus 1 divided by x square. This equals to limit x tends to 0. Here it can be written as a power x minus 1 into b power x minus 1 divided by x square. This equals to limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x into b power x minus 1 by x. Now applying the limit, that equals to limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x into limit x tends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x. This equals to, dear students, we know that limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equals to log a. So here log a, and we know that limit x tends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x is equals to log b. So here log b. Therefore, the answer is option A. Dear students, see the question number 20. Read the question and write it. Here the given question is limit x tends to 2, x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x square plus x minus 6. Here we substitute the limit 2 square 4 minus 5 into 2 10 plus 6 divided by 2 square 4 plus 2 minus 6 is equals to 4 plus 6 10 10 minus 10 0 by 4 plus 2 6 6 minus 6 0. It is in the indeterminate form. So here we proceed the method of factorization for solving this. Limit x tends to 2. We know that f of alpha is equals to 0, then x minus alpha is the one of the factor. So here numerator and denominator x minus 2 is the one of the factor. So we have to find the another factor. Minus 5 can be split into minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 we get 6. Here another factor is x minus 3. In denominator 1 can be split into 3 minus 2. 3 into minus 2 we get minus 6. Here another factor is x plus 3. This equals to limit x tends to 2. Here cancel out the common factors. X minus 2 get cancelled. X minus 3 by x plus 3. Now substitute the limit here. 2 minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3. This equals to minus 1 by 5. Dear students, the simplest method for this question is applying the L'Hospital's rule. That is limit x tends to 2. Here we differentiate with respect to x, numerator and denominator. We get d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by d by dx of x square plus x minus 6 is equals to limit x tends to 2, d by dx of x square 2x minus d by dx of 5x is 5 plus d by dx of 6 is constant 0 divided by d by dx of x square, that is 2x, plus d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of 6 is constant 0. This equals to, now substitute the limit here, 2 into 2 that is 4 minus 5 divided by 2 into 2 that is 4 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 5. Therefore, the answer is option C.